Good morning. Welcome to Math Time. So at the beginning of the week, I asked a question to all of you. I asked you what was your favorite color, and I told you that I was going to do something with that information. Well, I did. I gathered all that information as you guys responded, and I made a bar graph. The bar graph says at the top, favorite color. So this bar graph shows what the favorite colors are in our classroom. Okay. I did not get a response from everyone, so it doesn't add up to exactly everyone in our class, but everyone who responded, I was able to record your favorite color on here. You will notice, guys, I know that we looked at bar graphs earlier in this year, but you will notice on my bar graph, on the side, I have numbers. These numbers are the number of people that like a color. Okay, so the one would be one person likes it, two people, three people, four people, however many people pick that as their favorite color. Across the bottom are the colors. Okay, so the colors that we had in our classroom, if just one person said that was their favorite color, then it got added onto my bar graph. Okay, so I had red, blue, yellow, pink, and black. Okay, so I will snap a picture and put a picture of this bar graph on Facebook so you can see it more closely. Maybe see it better than you can in the video here. But I'm going to ask you some questions to answer about this bar graph, okay, about this information. One of the questions is going to be for you to compare. So I'm going to do an example problem like that, okay, for you guys to see. So on the bar graph, I'm looking and I see that two people liked the say that red's their favorite color, and I see that five people right here have said that blue's their favorite color. So if I wanted to find out how many more people liked blue than liked red, okay, so here's my question: how many more people picked blue as their favorite color than picked red as their favorite color? Well, how many more should be a big clue that I'm going to have to do a subtraction equation in order to find that answer. Okay, so I'm going to do it and work it out in my notebook here. All right, when I subtract, I have to put the biggest number first. How many more people like blue than red? So five people like blue, so I'm going to put that number first. Okay, five people liked blue minus, see, I'm subtracting. You see, five minus however many people liked red. Well, one, two. Only two people liked red. Five minus two equals. All right, that's my equation. Okay, five minus two equals three. Okay, I can solve that. I can draw a math picture to solve it. I know this in my head. I can easily show that on my hand. Five, take away two, three are left over. Okay, so I would be able to answer and say, well, you know what? How many more people liked blue than red? Three more people liked blue than liked red. Okay, and I wrote it out as a sentence. So there will be some questions posted underneath this video, and I will also have a closer picture of the graph posted so you can see it better, okay? You guys have a great weekend and have fun doing working with this math activity today. Thanks for responding, guys, and helping me collect this data. Bye.